Walmart has announced that they are expanding their DroneUp delivery network to 34 sites by the end of the year, providing the potential to reach 4 million US households across 6 states: Arizona, Arkansas, Florida, Texas, Utah, and Virginia. This provides Walmart the ability to deliver over 1 million packages by drone in a year. Between the hours of 8 a.m. and 8 p.m., customers will be able to order from tens of thousands of eligible items such as Tylenol, diapers, and hot dog buns for delivery by air in as little as 30 minutes. For a delivery fee of $3.99, customers can order items totaling up to 10 pounds. Walmart is saying that after completing hundreds of deliveries within a matter of months across their existing DroneUp hubs, they have seen firsthand how drones can offer customers a practical solution for getting certain items fast. They say that they have seen a positive response from their customers that have used the service. The top-selling item at one of their current hubs is Hamburger Helper. Participating stores will house a DroneUp delivery hub inclusive of a team of certified pilots operating within FAA guidelines that safely manage flight operations for deliveries. Once a customer places an order, the item is fulfilled from the store, packaged, loaded into the drone, and delivered right to their yard using a cable that gently lowers the package. But Walmart packages aren't the only thing the drones will deliver. Walmart says they will enable other businesses to explore the benefits of their drone technologies. This means DroneUp will offer local businesses and municipalities aerial drone solutions in areas like insurance, emergency response, and real estate. For example, a local construction agency can work with DroneUp to monitor on-site job progress through aerial drone photography. The added revenue will help offset the cost of delivery. It also serves the entire drone industry by gathering more flight data to expand drone operations in a safe and regulated way. Other companies like FedEx and UPS are also experimenting drones for delivery. Google's parent company Alphabet is operating a drone delivery service called Wing in Texas and Virginia, and it has delivered hundreds of thousands of packages worldwide. Amazon showed a demo of drone delivery a few years back, but Amazon currently isn't delivering packages by drones. It seems Amazon is focusing on autonomous drone delivery without any human operators so that it can expand easily and quickly.